Good morning, my friends. Today I'm on the Interquartiers street here in Madania. There is a beautiful mosque here. Al-Masjid Al-Atiq, or the ancient mosque. An old mosque, perhaps the oldest here in this neighborhood. And today I'm going to drive to Jolie Vue again in order to buy some more brake fluid, because my mechanic wants to change the brake fluid on my car, and he asked me to buy some more. It's a Saturday morning. We're in late March 2023, yes, and the roundabout here, because it's a weekend day, the roundabout isn't very congested. There is a taxi station here on the left. Now, what I'm going to do is to drive towards Les Sources. There is a neighborhood not very far from here known as Les Sources, and I'll use it as a shortcut to drive to Jolie Vue. There is a memorial here on the left to pay homage to the martyrs of the Algerian Independence War, who were born and raised here in this neighborhood in the Madania, formerly known as Clos Salembier. That apartment complex over there is Les Anassers. Is known as Les Anassers, or the Jasmine apartment complex. Many apartment complexes here in Algiers have nice names. Okay, so now we're driving onto the Mohammed bin Qasmi street, and I'm going to take the street here on the left as a shortcut to enter Les Sources. There is a house here on the right, built in the new Moorish architecture, the neo-Moorish architecture, or the neo-Moorish style. It's an Islamic style that was used by colonial architects in the late 19th century and the early 20th century here in Algeria. This is a nice residential area of Les Sources, and Les Sources is named this neighborhood, and the name means water springs. There is that very beautiful house right in front of us over there. Les Oranges, orange trees. Many houses have nice names here. They call them villas. so which way? All right, this way. I'm going to drive towards a street known as Mahmoud Khoujat al-Jild. It's a long street that links the Garidi 2 area to the central part of Bir Morad Rais. I used to come to a grocery store located here on this street to buy some groceries, or buy some food, buy some snacks and water, because this area isn't very far from where I work. And yeah, one of the stores here, one of the grocery stores, used to open very early in the morning. I would come here at 7 o'clock in the morning. And okay, so Bir Morad Rais is on the right and Garidi is on the left. So as I said, one of the grocery stores on that street used to open very early in the morning. So I enjoyed that, and I used to come here in order to buy snacks and water, especially water, you know. I can't imagine sitting at the desk without a bottle of water with me. Now, if you want to go to Blida, you can take the right, by the way. You'll drive through an apartment complex here on the right, and then arrive on a street or a road that will lead you straight to that underpass of Lakot, that will lead you to National Highway 1. If you want to return to Mohammed Belqasmi Street, you can take the left. But on a weekday, on a usual weekday, this area is congested. It's incredibly congested. And this is the Garidi 2 roundabout, a huge and beautifully landscaped roundabout. The Kuba authorities have decorated the area with this sign, I Heart Kuba, to show their, to add to the beauty of the area. Okay, so if you want to go to Central Algiers, you can take the right here, the right exit, or Benaknoun too. This is the second roundabout. If you want to go to Hussein, you take the exit on the right here. And this is the Garidi 1 apartment complex. The cemetery of Garidi is on the right. Vue Kuba is on the left, and now I have almost arrived at my destination. It's an auto spare part shop here on the right. Alright guys, I hope that you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications button to receive notifications on my future videos. Take care of yourselves, and goodbye.